Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear conversation in Snapchat. So for you to be able to do that, you have to tap on the Bitmoji icon, then you tap on the gear button, which is the settings, then you scroll down a little, then you tap on clear data, then you select the clear conversations. So once you do that, then you have the list of all the conversation you've had so far on Snapchat. So from here you can manually delete or clear the conversation you want. So there's no particular button that you can use to clear all the conversations at once. So you have to do it manually or by yourself. So I'm just going to start with this particular person, which is Precious. I'm just going to tap on this times button, then you click on clear. Then you do the same for the other one also. You click on this times button, the cross button, then you clear it. For this also, which is Twoguysfinance, you just click on the cross button, then you click on clear, and that is how you can clear conversation in Snapchat. Find the video for like and follow for more. Thank you.